This is Justin Case of American Newscape, joining our friend and book wrangler Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Hello, Sarah. Welcome back to American Newscape.
Hello, it's nice to talk to you again.
Well, it's nice to talk to you. I might have been a little late, but I am excited about this interview. So, what's happening at our libraries?
Oh, many things as usual. This is just the tip of the iceberg. So, just a few things that are happening this week at the libraries. Coming up on Thursday at the main library, Julie, one of our librarians, is going to teach you about container gardening, specifically in mason jars. She is going to demonstrate how to create your own little container garden for herbs in a mason jar. There's no charge to attend, and supplies are being provided. We just ask that you register for the event so we know how many mason jars to bring. So you can give us a call at the library or contact us in the information down below the video and register and grow your own fresh herbs.
I'm excited about this. I have a lot of mason jars that I haven't been putting to proper use, so growing herbs would be a cool thing.
It would be. I know we've all got that rack of dusty mason jars in the garage, and we're wondering what to do with these. So here's an idea.
Okay. All right. What else, Sarah?
Well, to switch over, it is almost Halloween, so we have kind of a Halloween-esque program coming up at our Foothills Library on Friday. The name of the series is called Just a Theory, and it is the history of science, different aspects of science. And of course, for October, we have to shake it up, right? We have to make it tales of the wicked and corrupt and crazy. And so I was asking our librarian, Eric, out there about what he was going to talk about. And I promised not to give too much away, but he is going to be talking about instances where different people have done things in the name of science, but maybe that weren't very ethical, down to completely horrific. No one should do this. So bring your strong stomach and find out more at Just a Theory at the Foothills Library this Friday.
Well, I don't know about that, but it'll put you in the season spirit, certainly.
There you go. And as we've learned, if anything from horror movies and Stephen King novels, people are always the worst monsters, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Okay.
So last but not least, a little bit back to the lighter side, we have an art club for kids coming up on Saturday at our main library. And one of our staff is going to be focusing on a different artist each month. This month, she is going to be talking about something very interesting I hadn't heard of before. The artist's name is Wassily Kandinsky, and he could supposedly see sounds. So he would create his paintings while listening to classical music. He could just, it helped him visualize. So she's going to be talking a little bit about his art, and then the kids will have a chance to create their own artwork while listening to some music.
Wow, I'm speechless. That should be pretty enlightening for the kids. What? Give me the age group once again.
It is, let's see. I don't have an age group listed here. I would say the 6 to 12 set, kind of the tween set, probably the little bit older kids would
Okay.
enjoy it.
Okay. Bring your artist hats and your love for music and have a good
Yes.
time. All
Yes,
right.
I can't wait to see what they create.
All right, Sarah. Thank you. This has been Justin Case and Sarah Wisdom, bringing you Yuma County Library happenings. Thanks for joining us. Remember, additional information and links are provided in this video's Read More. Today's the day to subscribe to this channel. Please support book wranglers, libraries, and librarians everywhere.